vehicular IoT. And you know that there are internal and external sensors connected to the vehicle, and we will be collecting all the information whatever is necessary for the smooth transportation process. So we will now see some of the advantages of vehicular IoT. So what are the basic advantages? When you have a device, it can monitor and it can take care of the entire system. What will be the advantages? What are the 6 advantages we have? The first one is easy tracking. Second one is easy management. Third one is fast decision making. Then safety. Then connected vehicle. And the last one is record. So these are the advantages. So the first one is what? Easy tracking. What do you mean by easy? First of all, we have in the previous class we have studied about the sensors connected to each other, the accumulation of information from the indoor of this. You can say that inside the car and outside the car, internal and external sensors use this. We have also seen the different communication mechanism in order to transmit the information as well. Is it not? Now, what are the applications associated with it? What are the advantages associated with it? The first one is easy tracking. Tracking means what? What do you mean by tracking? Tracking the vehicle is an essential part in the vehicular communication. You can say that location where the vehicle is located, or you can also say that at what distance the vehicle is, one vehicle is to the another vehicle, what is the distance, all those process can be understood. So tracking of vehicle is a straightforward path and collects the information to that. Now, for example, now you can see that. Now if I book a cab, for example, I usually book cab for some of the other purpose, right? You also book cab for different purpose. For example, now you have booked a cab for your mother or father. Okay, they are in certain location, and you have booked them. You don't know that whether the car has reached to the location or not. So with the application software, you can all find that with the help of all the communication process. You can find that where is the car located, whether it has come close to the destination or not, or what is the distance it is, where it is traveling, at what point it is there. So all those tracking is possible, and those tracking is possible only when you have a very good infrastructure facility where your device can be monitored at every instant of time. That is called as easy tracking. Easy tracking mechanism is quite common nowadays. You can see that. Now, if you are traveling somewhere and your friend is also traveling along with the help of tracking mechanism, you can make sure that whether they are ahead of you or they are behind you, what is the distance you are in, all those things can be understood. What is the next one? Fast decision making. Most of the decisions, what you can say, most of the decisions is connected vehicle environment are time critical. Why the decisions are time critical? For example, now you have 2 aircrafts, or you can say that 2 trains. So you are just knowing each other by understanding where its location is exactly. So what is that you can take an immediate decision and you can make sure that there is no collision taking place, or you can avoid the collision. All those things can be taken care. So what you can see is fast and active decision making is possible to avoid accidents and all. And you can also see that vehicular IoT environment and cloud fog computing helps to compute the process faster and give a solid evidence that what can be possible in the next minute or what can be possible at that moment. So it is very important for us to take a fast decision process, and cloud fog and all this environment helps us to do so. Okay, so that is what these are the one of the advantages of using IoT. What next we can see? So we have seen easy tracking as well as fast decision making. Then what do you have? Connected vehicles. Connected vehicles means what? Connected vehicles means what? See, for example, now one person is connected to another person. If one person is connected to another person, you come across all the information what is required. So similarly, a vehicle connected to another vehicle can transmit and receive the information whatever it is necessary for them to understand the process. Okay. So you can see that easy tracking, fast decision making is what we have discussed now. Now we will discuss upon connected vehicles. So in connected vehicles, what you can see, it provides an opportunity for us. So it provides an opportunity for remain connected and share information at different locations. So it will give help us to connect each other and share the location of each other. So you might have observed that if, for example, now you are running a business, okay, where you are into the transportation mode, and you need to know that where each vehicle is located, what is its process, whether it is fine, is there any problems associated with it, all those things can be monitored. Then what is easy management? What do you mean by easy management? See, when you have all the information associated with a certain thing, it is very easy for us to manage the things and come across. For example, now some travels are there, they will have hundreds of buses. So it will be flying to different routes, isn't it? So you can say that different types of sensors will be associated with that. Communication units will be associated with that. Then processing devices, GPS, all these things will be connected. And sitting at one point, you can monitor that which area, what location it is there, what is the speed at which one vehicle is traveling. Everything can be tracked. Okay. Whether it is traveling in the correct path or it is deviating from the path, all those things can be monitored. So you can also see that connectivity among different components in the vehicle are enabled to track every activity in and around the vehicle. So you can make sure that what is happening inside the vehicle, what is happening outside the vehicle, all those things can be monitored. And IoT infrastructure also helps in managing a huge number of users located in different geographical locations. That's what. Now you are operating one of the travels, you are in Bangalore, but your buses are running in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, and Coimbatore, and so on. So your buses are going in all the directions. So it is very important for you to understand that how best you can manage the process and you can come out with a proper outcome. Isn't it? So this is one of the advantage, that is connected vehicles. Then you have seen easy management. What next we have? What next we have? Safety. So what is safety? What do you mean by safety? See, safety is very important feature which everyone is looking for. You know that how the safety measures are taken in a vehicle? What are the safety measures taken in a vehicle? You know only airbag? Okay, fine. What else is there? Seat belt. Okay, fine. Then airbag. Then what? See, safety is not only with airbag or seat belt. It is that if there is an accident occurs, it has to be communicated immediately to this nearby police station or whatever. So sit there where you can get an immediate support. Okay, and one more thing, you might have seen a lot of things where safety plays a major role, isn't it? So it is very important. Most important advantage of vehicular communication is safety, because if any problem occurs suddenly that your engine of the car fails, So you will come to know that because of the sensors connected, that you will come to know that there is a failure, there is a brake failure. You will come to know that there is a brake failure. So you will understand and you will take the necessary steps, isn't it? So, but it has to be communicated. It has to make sure that the people traveling inside the vehicle are safe, even outside the vehicle also they are safe, isn't it? So, easy management is an internal and external sensors which gives a important role for the safety of vehicles, and it occupies a it is very important feature for getting concerned with the public. Safety of the vehicle as well as safety of the human being, and in and around whoever is there, their safety is also important. So you might have seen some videos and all. See now, I don't know whether you have come across this situation. See, if you are traveling after 9 o'clock, okay, after 9 you are traveling means you are in a car, you are traveling. What some places, what people will do is they will simply come and jump in front of your car. Okay, you know that. So what is that they might have done, or they might have done, they may be not psychologically strong. So they simply come in front of the car and they pretend as if the car has hit them. So what is the what is that you will have to protect yourself? You know that cameras are connected, no? You can say that the dashboard will have cameras and all, where you can make sure that it is recorded. So once it is recorded, what is the advantage? You can clearly make out that whether you have hit the thing or it has come to you and hit yourself. So camera plays a major role, and safely this will be protected from many of the things. You might have observed that if somebody is hit, no, the people will come and start hitting the person who is driving. But whether they don't see that whether it is correct or wrong, whose mistake it is. This camera will give a clear indication that whether who is wrong and who is right. Correct, my friend. Yes, sir. Why, you have any experience? Okay. So what is the record? What is the record? Okay. You want to share something so let us. No, you are only laughing. Both of the others can also. So fine. What is the record? Record means what? Yeah, that is storing the information. As I have told you, you have footages, you have video footages, and all those things you can store it. Still images and all those things you can store. And the advantage of this computing facility is that you can process it faster and you can take it as and when it is required for you. So we have seen the 6 advantages of using vehicular IoT. Is that clear for you? What are the 6 advantages of vehicular IoT? First one is easy tracking. Second one is easy management. Third one is what? Fast decision making. Fourth one. Fourth one is what? Connected vehicles. Then easy management, safety and record. So these things we have seen. Now you can just any conclusion or doubt is that we will move on to the next one. I think I have already shared these things to you. Correct? Yesterday itself I have shared all these things to you. So what is the next one? Drive assistance in the smart IoT transportation system. Drive. So drive assistance in the smart IoT system. So have you seen the movies and all? Can you just say that where you have seen in a movie or in a place where the crime is assisted with the help of smart IoT transportation system? So he is going to give a small story on crime assistance in a smart IoT transportation system. Open your mouth.
When the vehicle or something when like
You want him also to come? Okay. So he is going to say something about what experience he had in crime assistance, or he has seen in a movie or in any of the videos that assist crime assistance with the help of smart IoT devices. Yes, so many movies are there. Have you seen? Okay, let us see it now.
crime assistance.
And they also use it. No, no. Have you ever seen this IoT device being used in any of the movies? And they are tracking this crime and all those things. We have seen. There are lots of so just you can note down crime assistance in a smart IoT application or IoT transportation system. So what you can see here, so the fog environment, or you can say the cloud mode of operation, you can have this fog whisper. Whisper, no, you will pronounce. Yeah. Fog whisper. So what is the aim of that? So the aim of this system is to ensure the smart transportation system, and the system works through the following steps. So let us see what are the three steps. So what is the first one? The vehicle is equipped with smart surveillance system which is capable of video processing and detecting crime activities in the real time. I think you might have seen so many YouTube videos and all where see some of them will violate the rules of the traffic. Then they will have a helicopter coming there, then all police vehicles and all tracking it, and then they will finally track them, track those vehicles. Then a fog computing architecture works as a medium between the vehicle and a police vehicle. This unit, I'm very fond of these things. Actually, we can see in YouTube and all, we can see lot of videos. Sometimes we just keep watching that because if you are violating the traffic and you just either car or bike, it will be very high speed. So then the helicopter and all they will monitor, they will track where he is going. All those things you cannot see. So the core computing architecture works on the vehicle and the police vehicle, and the mobile application is used to report the crime to a nearby police agent. So some of them many movies are there, like you might have seen they do bank robbery and they, all those things will be tracked and it will be taken care of. So wherein all the public it's all those things wherever they are doing. So basically it deals with the system works in the three main steps. What are the three main steps? What is the first step? Yeah, the system is equipped with smart surveillance system and help for video processing. And the second step is computing. Core computing architecture is a very important role for connecting the vehicle as well as the police vehicle. And you can say that the mobile application is used for used to remote the crime to a nearby, report the crime to a nearby station. So that is why the three main critical system steps are involved in it. Okay. So let us see that what is the architecture. So in the architecture you can see that the consists of different IoT components. So we have three tiered architecture. So we have tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So this all the three tier architecture we are going to study now in detail. So first one is tier 1 where we have image processing and even dispatcher. This is tier 1 where we have image processor and even dispatcher. In image processor we have crime definition downloader, then crime definition storage, algorithm launcher, and even dispatcher you have even notification, data gather, virtual sensor interface. This is tier 2 and this is tier 3. So all the three will be studying in detail. So tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 will study in detail. So where in tier 1 we will be studying about image processor as well as even dispatcher. So we'll stop it for today and we'll continue next. Okay. So these three tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 we will study in detail in the next class. Thank you. So you can just draw that figure